please.
I'm Aidan from Nawaz and I play the guitar. I'm Evangelist Fernandez and I'm playing bass.
I'm Belly Fernandez. I'm vocals and rhythm.
I'm Steven Kunya. I'm on lead and vocals.
And the man behind the mix and the man behind the magic. He is our band manager, the guy who got us all together, also my father, Mr. Tavio Suarez. Thank you. Yes.
In association, guys, the Summer Festival. How are you guys feeling today?
Awesome. Great. Awesome.
Obviously, the band from Goa. Bit nervous, nah? Have you done it before? This is the first time I take it, yeah? Yes. I want to say warm welcome to Swindon.
Thank you.
How you feeling about Swindon?
Great.
Yeah.
Great. It is cold, but it's great.
Yeah. How is the crowd for you guys?
Awesome.
Awesome. I think you've kind of already done a set before. You've done a set. Like you played one, yeah.
Yeah, there's one more set.
Yeah, there's one more.
There's one more coming. I can't be waiting for that. Have you tried the food? It smells amazing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Especially the pork. Good.
Oh, is it nice? Yeah. I'm gonna try in a minute. Awesome. Anything else we want to add?
I think we're good.
Just everybody should enjoy.
Awesome. That's all I need. Welcome to Goan Summer Festival, guys. How are you guys feeling today?
Oh, we are awesome. We're just enjoying ourselves. It is such a fun time here.
Yes,
I think you all should come here.
It's
There's
amazing.
still time. The weather is perfect, I think. And yeah, do come along, everyone.
How are you feeling about Seven Notes performing on the stage
Oh
right
my
now?
gosh, he's got such a fantastic voice. It's the first time I'm listening to him. I've heard so much about him, and when I've heard him here, it's absolutely amazing.
On your left, do you see like all the stalls? Have you tried any of the food? It smells amazing.
Yes, actually it's really tempting. I am gonna go and try a few of the snacks. I haven't yet, but I'm sure it's just gonna be awesome and delicious.
I see these girls here. They're dressed all similar. Is there a performance coming up?
Yeah, they already performed actually. They were playing the violin.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I heard it. It's really nice. Well done, guys.
Thank you.
Awesome. Welcome, guys, to the Goan Summer Festival. How are you guys feeling today?
Having a lovely day. Thank you very much. Food's wonderful and the sound is exceptional from your stage.
What's regarding the weather? It's nice and
Weather
it's just paying,
it's
yeah,
nice, pleasant. It's English weather.
It's humid.
Yeah, so good. Have you tried any of the food today?
Yes.
It's all good.
Yes, very good.
I'm gonna try in a minute. It's just like I'm really hungry, and the smell here is just making me like that.
Yeah. Try it. It's really good.
How are you guys feeling about the Goa Day today?
It's good. I'm come first time here, so you know, small Goa, like I feel I'm back to Goa kind of. And yeah, I'm with my family as well today, so I'm really happy about it.
Have you had any food from the back stalls there?
I've not gone to the stall.
But it smells nice, doesn't it?
Yeah. It's nice, like the food here and everything. Yeah.
Hello guys, we are the Shades. We are having a rocking and a wonderful time over here for this Goan Summer Festival, which is happening in UK, and we're going to be performing next now. We are all set to rock the stage and the Goa Day.
Swindon.
Swindon, yeah.
Swindon. That's way.
And you came with them.
How are you feeling about Seven Notes performing before you?
What's that?
How are you feeling about Seven Notes performing before you?
Oh well, they were incredible. They're one of the topmost band in Goa, and
We love it.
They played one set, and then now the Velvet Blues are on the stage, and then after that there's gonna be DJs, and then the Shades gonna be performing.
Obviously, I've heard you guys. You rock the floor. Keep doing what you guys doing.
Oh, definitely.
It is the best band in the UK.
Oh, thank you so much. Okay, once again, I'm Mog Asu. Cheers.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.